For a lesson on letter size, I start by doing this, by putting the letters in 3 different categories, as I have here. I will first give the example of the first letter for the students and let them know where each letter begins and ends. And then from there, I say, let's go through the alphabet, and then you tell me where it goes. And I write it so they have a solid sample. So I will then say, the letter C, and they tell me if it's small, and we'll keep going through the alphabet until we complete it. So letter H, they'll tell me it's tall. If they get it incorrect, I just put it in the right place, and they have a nice visual example there. From there, I will write a word with tall, small, and ground. I'm using pen because it just shows up better on the video. And then I want them to copy a word with tall, small, and ground, the same word that I wrote, and say they did this. So then I will just let them know which one they did good. The B is good. It's a great tall. And what the kids start doing is they start paying attention, and then they'll start getting it, better and better over time. So then I'll do another word and say they just start getting it better. Okay, so say they got it like that this time, and then I'll say, these two are correct, awesome. And I say nothing about this, and I don't have to because most kids are self-aware that they'll start paying attention. And if they ask, then we just talk about it. I could just keep focusing on the positive. As they're doing good at this step, then I can move on to what I call I'm the teacher step. And that's where I make mistakes in words. And I will make a mistake in just letter size. So this is where you see your kids' visual perception, because now they can see that this is an error, and then they get to correct my step. They get to be the teacher. That's what I'm the teacher is about. So they get to find those mistakes. And if they're not finding those mistakes, you might want to go back to the last step. Then you have them rewrite it. So say this is the student rewriting it. And again, I would just identify that this is correct. Good job. This is correct. This is correct. Good job.